Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. Now to fix it, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows update in the list. So scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows update and then click on restart. Now find App Readiness at the top, somewhere you will find App Readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, you can go back to Windows update, and then if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, you can run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. The scan will take some time. And in my case, it's already done. I have to restart my computer. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now let the scan complete. Once this scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window. So copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, pause and restart the update. Now for this, you can go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause option, hit pause. And once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can try to update. Still not working. The next step is to run PowerShell as an administrator. Now for this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, run these commands. These commands will do these things. So you can copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now once done, run the last command. You can paste it, again hit the enter key. Once this is done, you can close this and then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5086672 over here, and then click on search. Let me change the language. Now check your Windows version first. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Now over here, check your version. In my case, the version is 25H2. Now check your system type. So go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. So in my case, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. Now over here, you will see this update KB5086672. Click on it and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. and then go to advanced option, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Now let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully, and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.